In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Doordash gift card. Let's walk through this together so you can add your gift card balance to your account quickly and confidently. We'll keep it simple and make sure nothing gets missed. Start by opening the Doordash app on your phone or heading to doordash.com in a web browser. Either way works the same for redeeming a gift card. Make sure you have a steady internet connection so the process doesn't stall partway through. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. If you're new to Doordash, you can create an account in just a minute using your email and a secure password. Once you're in, you'll be able to apply the gift card so its balance is tied to your profile for future orders. Now, open the account or profile menu. On the app, this is usually the person icon or the account tab at the bottom or top of the screen. On the website, look for your profile icon or your name near the top right, then open the account settings. This is where Doordash keeps options related to payments and credits. Inside your account menu, find the section labeled Gift Card or Credits and Gift Cards. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on app updates, but it will clearly mention gift cards or credits. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit or check under Payment or Wallet. Updating your app to the latest version can also help if the option is invisible. When you're in the right place, enter your gift card code. Most Doordash gift cards have a 16-digit code or a PIN printed on the card or included in the digital email you received. If it's a physical card, gently scratch the silver strip to reveal the code. Type it carefully and double-check each number before moving on. Avoid extra spaces or dashes unless the field shows them automatically, and be mindful of similar-looking characters. Once the code is entered correctly, tap or click Redeem Gift Card. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the balance was successfully added to your account. Your total credits will update, and that amount will automatically apply to your next eligible order at checkout. If the code doesn't work on the first try, verify each digit and try again. Errors often come from a single mistyped character. If you still get an error, wait a moment and retry, or check that the card hasn't already been redeemed. For persistent issues, the support section in the app or on the website can help. And that's it. Your Doordash gift card is now redeemed and ready to use. Enjoy your next meal.